Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Theo Tilton from Theo Tilton Coaching, and I'm here to guide you towards a more grounded, inspired, and powerful life. And today we're diving into something as simple as it really is, and it's so transformative, and that is breath work. I've been doing breath work for probably 17 years. Now, you know, breathing is something that we do every day, and it happens unconsciously. We don't even take a second thought about it, but when we do it intentionally, consciously, we're actually tapping into a very powerful tool that can shift our entire mental state, emotional state, physical state, and that is the power and the magic that is breath work. So it's not really something that we're just talking about just taking a deep breath here and there. It's really about being present in your current moment and controlling your breath and engaging with the parasympathetic and the sympathetic and merging and synchronizing. And when we do this, it shifts the tone and our vibe and our energy inside of our own body. So let's do a real quick breath work exercise right here. And I'm going to call it the quick 3-step reset. For any time that you're feeling overwhelmed or you need mental clarity or just a quick boost of energy. So here how this particular breath work is going to work in this 3-step process. All right. So you basically are just going to inhale for 4 counts, pull in that fresh energy, fresh air, and think about what is actually possible in your life. Let's do that together, and we're going to count to 4 when we do it. Now at the top of the breath, hold your breath for another 4 counts. Let that energy expand inside of your lungs, inside of your body. Now, step 3 is to exhale and release anything negative, all that stress, all that tension. Let's do that again. Ready? Inhale, 4 counts. Hold. Exhale. Now you'll notice my exhale was a little bit longer than the inhale and the hold. It's about a 6 count. So the inhale is a 4 count. The hold is a 4 count. The exhale is a 6 count. Now, that's the great thing about breath work is that it is portable. You could bring it anywhere. You could be on vacation. You could be at the airport. You could be on the train. You could be at work. You could be in your car. It does not matter. You could use it anywhere. It's the most portable, transformative practice you can do. And so I invite you to do this. Whether you're new to breath work or you're looking to deepen your existing practice, I just want you to remember that your breath is your ally in life. And for some people, some spiritual circles, they even say that breath is actually the power of God. And that is the reason in the Jewish tradition, we have the name of God, which is Yahweh. And if you think about the sound of your breath, it sounds like, right? That the name of God actually is like the sound of breath. And one might interpret that God is your breath. You can't get any closer to being inside of you than your breath. So the next time you need to relieve your stress, the next time you need to realign, the next time you need to just calm down, center yourself, get present to your surroundings, take a deep breath, 4 counts. Hold it. Exhale 6 counts. That's it. So if you found this particular video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with somebody and subscribe. And who knows, if you need to come back and look at some other creative, powerful, life-filled tools that I offer, we together can make the world a better place. So this is Theo Tilton saying ciao for now.